Welcome to Kuma's Kitchen. Hey, today we've got a nice potato salad here. It's not your regular potato salad. I call this sour cream and bacon potato salad. Yeah. You could eat this warm or cold. This just came out. It's been cooked, still warm, and it's good that way. I like it this way. You might like it chilled down. Pieces of crispy bacon in there. The dressing is made from, sour cream. It's kind of like eating a baked potato for salad. So let's go in the kitchen and make this right now. All right, so here's our ingredients for our potato salad. Across the front, well, this is going to be all the dressing ingredients. So we've got 2 to 3 cloves of garlic crushed, depending on how much garlic you want in there. Half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And over here, a half a cup of sour cream. Then across the back, the main ingredients, well, that's 7 ounces or 200 grams of bacon, which I've then sliced across into about quarter to half inch pieces, about 5 to 12 millimeters. And over here, well, that is 2 pounds or 900 grams of potatoes, scrubbed and then chopped up. And every one of them is just, well, it's about a little under half an inch thick. We want to keep them pretty even so they cook evenly. So under half an inch, about 10 millimeters thick. All right, this water has basically come to a boil, so I'm just gonna fire it up again. Want to get the potatoes going right away. It's gonna boil them until they're fork tender. So it's gonna be probably about 20 minutes. In they go. Let's get the lid back on there for right now. Keep the heat in there. I don't need it in here. It's warm enough as this. All right, and then we're gonna get the bacon started. So I'm gonna bring this up on medium heat. The bacon's only gonna be about 8 minutes or so. I want to crisp it up a bit, so probably be closer to 10 for Japanese bacon, about 8 minutes for your bacon. Our bacon doesn't crisp as much over here. All right, in goes the bacon. Gonna break that up a bit because it's still stuck together somewhat. All right, and as it cooks, I'll break it up some more. All right, get that going. Now it's gonna be cooking away for, let's say, about 8 to 10 minutes. Medium heat. Okay, well that's happening. Might as well get the dressing made up. So what I want to do here, I want to get the sour cream. There we go, that went in nicely into a large bowl. Oh, and let's add in that garlic. The mustard. All right, salt and pepper, vinegar, and the olive oil. All right, should we get all that? All right, we'll take the whisk, come in here, and start whisking this together. It'll take a little bit first to break up that sour cream, but there we go, look at that. Coming together. All right, that's what I want. Perfect. Get that off there. Okay, a little lick to see. Oh, well, that's good. Yep. All right. Okay, so gonna let that bacon cook. Give that another stir. See, now it's starting to cook. It's easier to break apart the bacon. And just keep that going. All right, I'll see you back here when the potatoes are ready. The bacon, I'll be taking out soon. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that bacon and put it on some paper towel just to drain it and let the potatoes keep cooking. So I'll see you back here in probably about 20 minutes. All right, well that bacon crisped up nicely. It's a different bacon from what I usually use. I got this from Sage Uishi. And it's a different one of theirs. And I'm going to get it out again. That's crisped up perfectly. The potatoes are fork tender. You can basically, you can squish them really easy. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we've got our dressing that we made, and everything's just gonna go in there. So in goes the potatoes. Get off to one side. In goes the bacon. All right, and now all we gotta do is, well, toss it. All right. In case you're wondering, those potatoes are still warm. I ran a little cold water over them after they came out from boiling, but they're still quite warm. That really makes a difference always in soaking up some of the flavor too, I find. So, toss that around. And there's two ways you can eat this now. You could eat it warm like this. Or, if you prefer a nice cold potato salad, chill it down. Myself, I quite like it a little warm. But then I'm a guy who drinks hot tea in summer, so who am I to say? All right, look at that. That is coming together nicely. And if you squish a few of the potatoes, that's fine. That just adds to texture. So don't worry about it. Just kind of get in there and turn around like this until, look at that, all comes together like that. That's ready to go. All right, you like this? You know what to do. Stick around, check out some more original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. Make this recipe, share it with your friends, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.